So we're going to talk about the services that we have in our skincare studio. And then when we talk about skincare, we're not just talking about skin, we're talking about skin and the elements underneath, which give us a healthier, more youthful appearance. So first of all, we're going to talk about the basic elements of the aging face. When we look at this diagram, we can see that this picture on this side shows the sagging. And these give us all the different names of the tear trough, the cheeks, the flattening of the cheek, the nasolabial folds, the thinning of the lips, the marionette lines, and the jowls. And this is going to be because of loss and descent of jowl fat pads, and accumulation of fat pads in the lower face, accumulation of fat in the neck. That's going to be related to the shape of the face. We then have to also understand skin and how skin ages. Now I'm going to give you a fact that really blows your mind. At 20 years of age, we have the optimal amount of collagen and elastin in our skin. The collagen and elastin are just under the surface, and that's what gives us the stretchy quality. Think about the elastic in clothing. That maxes out at 100% at 20 years of age. As we watch the curve of aging, we see the collagen level starts to drop off, and the tragic point is by age 60, we only have 20% of the collagen we did at 20 years of age. So this collagen and elastin becomes lost. It leads to deep wrinkles. It leads to the loss of turgor in the skin. So when we start thinking about the services that we provide to restore the face to a more youthful appearance, we're going to be thinking about things that restore volume, that can reduce volume, and things that will improve the collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid, as well as color to the skin.